What if you could smooth away tension in your tight hips and back with gentle seated stretches you could do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this relaxing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles at the top of the movement. Moving into a side leg lift variation, alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Release and return to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle hip rotation, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Adding on, cross your right leg over your left. Clasp your left hand to your right ankle, gently drawing it towards your outer left hip as you fold forward, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right hip. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lift your left leg, and circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Adding on, cross your left leg over your right. Clasp your right hand to your left ankle, gently drawing it towards your outer right hip. As you fold forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your left hip. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or just a bit more peaceful and centered. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.